In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello board for goal planning and execution. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or refining your workflow, I'll walk you through a clear, repeatable setup that keeps your goals organized and moving forward. We'll start by building a simple board structure. Then, we'll turn big ideas into focused plans you can act on. Begin by creating a new Trello board and adding 5 lists. First is Table of Contents. Add a single card here that outlines your high-level vision, your themes for the year, and any upcoming important dates. Think of it as your North Star, a quick reference that keeps every other card aligned with what matters most. Next is Backlog, the holding area for long-term goals or big projects you want to tackle someday. Then add to do for the goals you're committed to this month or quarter. Doing is where your active priorities live, only what you're actually working on now. Finally, add done to capture completed goals and keep a visible record of your wins. As you work, you'll drag cards from left to right, making your progress unmistakable. Now, let's create your goal cards. For each specific objective, add a new card. Open the card and write the full details of your SMART goal in the description. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of get in shape, you might write walk 30 minutes, 5 days a week, for the next 8 weeks. Clear details make it easier to track results and stay accountable. Use Trello labels to categorize by area of life, such as career, health, or financial. Choose colors that make sense to you and stick to them so you can scan your board at a glance. Set a target. Due date on each card so Trello can nudge you as deadlines approach. Those reminders are a gentle push to keep momentum. To make goals less overwhelming, break them into small, actionable steps using the checklist feature on the back of each card. List the many tasks required to complete the objective, keeping each one short and specific. Start with a verb so it's crystal clear what to do next. You can reorder items as priorities shift, and checking them off gives you immediate feedback on progress. This turns big goals into daily or weekly actions you can actually finish. That's the system. A clear board, well-defined goals, and bite-sized steps. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.